Opemsuo TV ahwefo ene Côte d'Ivoire fo binum ba yewura kotokohene ho ema wone no bedi nkomo be se yewura eye na eno mbe bon nkomo kakra. Please, what's your name?
My name is Honorable Marie-Ange and Dia, but my Ashanti name is Mansa.
Okay. Please, we want you to introduce yourself to us. What do you do?
Oh, me. So I am a member of parliament, and I'm a questor at the parliament.
Okay. So what exactly brought you to the palace today?
Sad news, bad news brought me this time, because our president, Henri Konan Bédié, passed away on the 2nd of August, and the chief bring me quickly to come to inform by this time our Majesty, who we recognize him as our king, our supreme king, because we have kingdom there. And the king brought the family members to come and see us, because we just say that by this time that he was sick. And as we say in our tradition, his leg is hurting him. And this time we come with a big delegation of 7 chiefs, with paramount chief in it, and family members. You have the kids, the niece, and family members. And we came to inform formally Otumfuo that we try to heal him, but we haven't succeeded. So his son passed away, and to ask him to give him the funeral, because this is his son.
Okay.
We are from Abokosu, Nsuta, and we came with the family of Abrapokwa from Nsuta, from Abokosu, with all the chief of Adakon family, because we are belonging to Adakon family, so we are royals.
Okay. So what are the plans for the funeral? Have you said it? So
the plans for the funerals will be from the 19th of May to the 2nd of June.
Okay.
Excuse me, I'm French speaking.
No problem. On behalf of Opemsuo Radio and our viewers, our condolences to you and the entire community at Côte d'Ivoire. Thank you very much.